Today we'll be talking about a bird that when it flies, it's a gorgeous sight. The Indian Paradise-Flycatcher. The Indian Paradise-Flycatcher is a medium-sized passerine bird. It is native to the Indian subcontinent, Central Asia and Myanmar, where it is widely distributed. A graceful-looking flycatcher, the adult males sport a long ribbon-like tail. The females are cinnamon above with a greyish throat, a shorter tail, and they lack the male's blue eye ring. The males occur in two color morphs, cinnamon and white. Indian paradise flycatchers feed on insects which they capture in the air, often below a densely canopied tree. They make short aerial sallies after insects, usually returning to the same perch. Occasionally descends to the ground to pull apart insects. Their calls are like locally named Sudu, Redi, Hora. I have seen the Indian Paradise-Flycatcher during our stay in Dambulla. While we were there, we visited the Dambulla Cave Temple. The Dambulla Cave Temple is a 1st century cave temple with over 150 Buddha statues. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is one of the best preserved cave structures you'll find anywhere in the world.